Hello, YouTube. Today, or I guess in my time zone, tonight, me and my good friend who would like to remain anonymous for privacy reasons have rebuilt the Jetson Rave hoverboard that we were trying to combine into a hybrid, but that didn't work, so we put the old internals back in. We redid thing. We put battery back in. Haven't connected it yet. And now she is putting on the other bottom cover and flipping it over. So you will be able to see what it actually looks like. Cassie? I mean, it, anonymous. If you don't want them to see your face, you can back up so I can show YouTube. That is what it looks like after you rebuild it. And after you haven't fully taped it down yet. So yeah, this is the bull crap we're building, rebuilding. So yeah,
We used to take notes of it instead of keyboards.
yeah, yeah, true. You're right. You can move back. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I will give you further updates in the near future. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and turn on the bell.
For mobile sets.
For more bullshit, nope. YouTube regulations says that's not allowed. More bullcrap in the future. So, thanks for tuning in. Have a good day or night, whatever your time zone is.